Let's start with a question that may feel obvious, but let's talk a little bit about it. And that's why data? Why do we need to think about data when it comes to things like gaming or business or social work or any other profession? Well, data is everywhere. It's almost become a cliche these days to say that, right? Um, so let's think about games. Take a look at your phone. Right? Pause this video for a moment and think about what video games or whatever you do on your phone. I'll just pause for a moment and think about that. Everything you do on your phone, every click, every choice you make can be collected and stored as data. Um, how is that data used? Well, let's think about games, right? If you're playing a game on your phone, or if you're more of a serious gamer and you're playing video games on a console or on a PC, there's all kinds of data that's collected that you can use yourself to make decisions. For example, your character's level. What do you need to do to level up? Do you need to be at a certain level in order to advance to a certain point in a game? And what kind of tasks can you do? How many experience points do you need for that level? Things like that. Those are decisions you make based on data that the game will give you. In addition, the game designers collect this data to make decisions about how they're going to release patches or update games. They may look at, for example, how does a certain character do? Maybe they need to change some of the character stats in order for that character to be more desirable in various parties, for example. But it goes beyond gaming, right? Business. So some of you are in business, some of you may be on the business end of gaming. You collect all kinds of data in business like sales data, profits. If you take accounting, you'll learn about accounting ratios. All of these data are used to assess the performance of a business and make decisions about how you want to move forward. What do you want to change? What do you want to keep the same? Even in social work, you might perform a needs assessment in a community as part of a grant application where you'll collect data to see how necessary is it to have, say, certain kinds of clinics in a particular area relative to the needs of the community. So our data is everywhere. In the next video, we're going to take a look at an example in an online, it's not really a game, but an online tool app that I like to use.